In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI for beginners. By the end, you'll know how to find Meta AI, start a conversation, and even generate images, all with clear prompts that get great results. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Meta AI. You'll see results pointing to the official Meta AI website. Click the official result to open it. This ensures you're in the right place and using the latest interface designed for easy, conversational AI access. Once the page loads, you'll notice a clean chat interface, much like what you might see in ChatGPT or a messaging app. At the bottom, there's a text box where you can type. Think of it as a helpful assistant that understands natural language. A quick safety reminder: avoid sharing sensitive personal information and keep your questions focused on tasks, learning, or creativity. To start chatting, type a question or request directly in the box and press enter. For example, you could write, "Explain photosynthesis in simple words." Meta AI will respond immediately with a clear, friendly explanation. If you want a different tone, ask for a shorter summary, a step-by-step breakdown, or an example to make it more concrete. Be specific with your goal. For instance, add who it's for, like for a fifth grader, or include context such as for a quick exam review. You can follow up naturally. Ask for clarifications, comparisons, or related topics, and it will keep track of the conversation. Meta AI also includes built-in image generation. When you want to create visuals, type a descriptive prompt and send it. Here's a strong example you can copy. Create an image of a version of New York built entirely from candy, interpreted in different forms and flavors, with varying levels of realism, whimsy, and architectural style. Click Send and give it a moment to process. You'll receive 4 image variations to choose from. Click any image to improve, enhance, or edit it. You can request changes like brighter colors, a more realistic look, or a different camera angle. If you don't love the first set, refine your prompt by adding details about mood, style, materials, or time of day. Then send it again. That's all you need to get started. Open Google, search for Meta AI, jump into the chat, and explore both text and image capabilities. With clear prompts and quick follow-ups, you'll get high-quality answers and creative visuals in no time.